Have you ever said something in English and people looked confused? Like the words were correct, but something felt off? I get it. I had the same problem when I was learning. You're likely making one of 5 common mistakes. They're small mistakes, but they change how natural you sound. Today, I'll show you these 5 mistakes and how to fix them fast. Welcome to Day 4. I'm glad you're here. Let's begin. Mistake 1. Using to and for the wrong way. I used to say, "Thank you," to help me, and people looked lost. The right sentence is, "Thank you for helping me." Here's the rule. To means direction. For means purpose. Examples. I sent the email to my boss. That is where it went. I wrote the email for my boss. That is why I wrote it. I'm going to the store for milk. To is where, for is why. Mistake 2. Mixing say and tell. Say is about the words. Tell is about the person. After tell, you need a person. After say, you don't. She said she was tired. She told me she was tired. You cannot say, "She said me." That is wrong. He told me a secret. He said it was a secret. Say is words. Tell is person. Mistake 3. Using do and make the wrong way. Do is for actions or tasks. Make is for creating something. I do my homework. I make breakfast. Use do for routine tasks. Do the laundry. Do the dishes. Do the cleaning. Use make when you create something. Make a cake. Make money. Make a plan. Make a mistake. Do homework. Make breakfast. Simple. Mistake 4. Much and many. Many is for things you can count. Much is for things you cannot count. I don't have many friends. I don't have much time. How many apples? How much water? Money is uncountable. How much money do you have? If you want to count it, say, "How many dollars?" If you are not sure, use a lot of. It works for both. Mistake 5. In, on, at. Think of them like big, medium, small. In is big areas or general time. On is surfaces or days. At is exact points or times. I live in Nigeria. The keys are on the table. I am at the door. Time works the same way. In 2024, in January, in the morning, on Monday, on my birthday, at 6 a.m., at noon, at night. Public transport uses on the bus, on the train. Private cars use in the car, in a taxi. Fixing these 5 mistakes will make your English clear and natural. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. I post simple English lessons every week. Keep practicing. See you on the next video.